Guys, support, just send you this video to show you what I did set up. Something wrong. I'm getting the power directly, from the source, 12 volts constant, to the alternator right here. Okay, I found the starter wire. This end goes to the key and this end goes to the engine, to the starter right here. Now the thing is, when I get this wire with the green, what happened is the GPS gets activated, but the ground, my ground is right here. I haven't hooked up the ground. As you can see, GPS is activated. I wonder, and it has to do with that wire right here, because as soon I disconnected, the GPS died. And this is the starter relay I'm using. Where's that? Oh, right here. It's a regular relay. Okay. Nothing special. Normally closed. So it has to do with that wire. Look, when I'm going to disconnect the green and the orange, and you'll see the unit dies. See right there. Now I'm gonna get the ground connected. Where's the ground? Oh, over here. And I believe it's gonna work. So my question is that normal or not? Okay, so I'm getting my ground, regular ground. So I bet the unit is gonna start. Yeah, start. So got my ground there. The unit is up. Now I'm going to. So my question is why, when I put this together, I getting the unit activated, working. All right. Okay. Thank you. Send me a reply. All right. Bye.